Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Gemini Error 1100 problem. So if Gemini isn't working properly or you keep getting this error message, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, close Gemini completely. Now, open your browser and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in Settings page, look at the menu on the left and click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Third-Party Cookies, and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type Gemini. Now, find and expand the Google section. Then look for Gemini in the list. Once you find it, click the trash can icon next to it to remove the stored Gemini site data and cache files. After clearing the Gemini data, look at the menu on the left and click on Extensions. Now, temporarily turn off your browser extensions since one of them could be interfering with Gemini. Once you've done that, open Gemini again and check if the error 1100 problem has been fixed. If you're still getting the same error, there's one more thing you can try. Open Gemini using a different web browser and see if the problem continues. This can help you determine if the issue is related to your current browser. And that's it. By clearing Gemini's stored data, disabling your extensions, or trying another browser, you should be able to fix the Gemini Error 1100 problem.